First, do your best to precisely locate the points to be touched. As we describe how to find some of the indentations, bones, and ridges, you might try to find them on yourself. All of the sets shown in the manual and the video are performed by using the index and middle fingers of each hand. All of the points are touched for 6 to 8 seconds using a light butterfly-like touch. An associate doesn't have to apply all of the sets of points in the technique at any one time. It's only necessary to apply those points or local work which address the specific conditions of the person you're working with. Proper skin contact is necessary to be effective. Unless the area to be addressed is easily reached by working around clothing, such as the head or neck, it is recommended that the recipient remove the clothing above the waist, though it is not necessary to remove the brassiere. Biomagnetic touch healing can be and has been practiced under many circumstances without jeopardizing its effectiveness. It can be shared at the office, at bus stops, in department stores, and on the playground. So whatever the situation, the most important thing to remember is
just touch. It works.
Next, let's review some of the terms we use in biomagnetic touch healing. The first term, the associate, is the person performing the procedures in the manual. The recipient is the person being touched by the associate. A hold is when the first 2 fingers of one hand are held in constant contact with the skin, while the 2 fingers of the other hand move to touch other points or to sweep. In the manual, these points are generally indicated by an X. Matching fire refers to simultaneously touching points that are symmetrical in relation to a particular area of the body. Through fire refers to touching points which are on opposite sides of the body, either from front to back or from side to side. Crossfire refers to holding the fingers of one hand on one side of the body while the fingers of the other hand touch points on the opposite side of the body. A sweep refers to a slow and deliberate movement of the fingers across a particular area of the body while maintaining constant contact with the skin. Finally, we have a misfire. A misfire occurs when the hands touch each other or cross. If the hands do cross or touch, simply move them apart and continue the procedure. There is no need to start the session over again.